The BANGSON Mini Fridge with Freezer is a compact and versatile appliance designed for use in bedrooms, dormitories, offices, or other small spaces. With its sleek black design, it can seamlessly blend into any environment. One of the standout features of this mini fridge is its 3.2 cubic feet capacity, which offers ample storage space for beverages, snacks, and even frozen items. The inclusion of a freezer compartment is a great addition, allowing you to store ice cream, frozen meals, or ice cubes conveniently. Energy efficiency is an important aspect to consider in any appliance, and the BANGSON Mini Fridge excels in this area. It is designed to be energy efficient, helping you save on electricity bills while minimizing its impact on the environment. This makes it an excellent choice for long-term use without worrying about excessive energy consumption. In terms of noise level, this mini fridge performs admirably. It is equipped with a low-noise compressor, ensuring quiet operation. This is particularly beneficial if you plan on using the fridge in a bedroom or office setting, where excessive noise can be disruptive. The single-door design of the BANGSON Mini Fridge is practical and user-friendly. The door is reversible, allowing you to adjust it to open from either the left or right side, depending on your preference and space constraints. The interior of the fridge is well organized, featuring adjustable shelves and an integrated crisper drawer for storing fruits and vegetables. While the BANGSON Mini Fridge offers several positive features, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. Some users have reported that the freezer compartment might not maintain extremely low temperatures, making it more suitable for short-term storage rather than long-term freezing. Additionally, the size of the fridge might not be sufficient for those who require a larger storage capacity. In conclusion, the BANGSON Mini Fridge with Freezer is a reliable and efficient appliance for small spaces. Its energy-efficient operation, low noise level, and versatile storage options make it a practical choice for bedrooms, dormitories, and offices. However, if you require extensive freezing capabilities or a larger storage capacity, you may need to explore other options. Overall, it offers good value for the price and can be a reliable addition to your living or working space. I hope this review helps. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with.